Master Lou, how do I get rid of my stress when it feels too overwhelming?
One of the easiest way, you will have you go to our website called the spirit gate breathing, the navel breathing, right? So the easiest way, just close your eyes, do the breathing. Because that moment cannot trust the mind. You cannot continue analyze. The easier way is to shut off everything, focus inside it, then just do the simple breathing. Allow the body. Take time, right? You break it to the situation. So you allow the body continue to do this kind of breathing. The simple breathing, because the spirit gate is the navel, right? We call the navel. The navel is the space connect to entire your genetic code. That's a space and the time, visible and invisible. Right? Think this. So therefore, your body inherited thousands of years of wisdom how to deal with stress. Do you think the ancient time your grandmothers has less stress than you? It's a different challenge, right? But you don't know. But they do. They go through that. They are successful. So therefore, your bloodline still pass to you. Then you have to think in this way. How can I use this wisdom, inherited wisdom, through the navel breathings? That's the simple way. If you find it so difficult, just close eyes. I don't care. Right? Do the breathing. I don't care. Right? Why take action? The more you try to take action, the more you create the dividend, you create the space. You don't need to create space. You just close eyes. You go to the different worlds. I think that's the easiest way. Then if you're going to continue, just little by little practice, make yourself stronger to understand your thought, your belief, processing. Right? And then you can use the same kind of practice every night because it's the same concept, right? Every night you can go through that, listen that, we're going to put this one on the website, whatever you can download it, listen that. So every night you go through that, every night you're going to delete it, little by little, you become more profound, more peace, more balance. Then later, you know how to deal with the stress. Before can deal slow, little bit, later can deal the bigger one. And later, you have to think you don't want to deal. They never come to you. See, you have to think in this way. You don't want to have a good skill. I don't want to continue teaching people skill. Deal it, right? That's not a high level. The high levels, you don't need a skill. They never come to you, right? That's the best. That's what you need to think about.